following Satan into the darkness. Oh, Satan. You're peering into the eyes of pure evil here. See? Oh my God, she wants to attack this camera. This camera is pure goodness. Cat will attack it. Watch. Attack the camera. You can do it. Yep. Watch her. Attack the camera. Yeah, watch. We'll just pet. Yep, she don't like it. We're just petting. We're just petting. Thank Jesus. She hates it. She doesn't like to be pet. Satan. We're just petting. Jesus Christ. Just loving on you. God. Now look, you love on this one? Look, you can grab this one's tail. You can play with the tail all day long. Here's the tail. Oh yeah. See, no problem. Totally cool. This is a tortie. This is a god-dang tortie. This is the most bitchy cat there is. You got the tail, you play with it? Look at this. No problem. You touch this tail. Oh, see? God. Oh, dude. Satan incarnate. What? What'd I do? I'm just petting. Can I pet? Can we pet? Can I pet? That is a big no. Now see this one? Can you pet? Oh yeah, you can pet. Oh, she gets all pissy because she gets all jealous. Freaking Satan. What are you gonna do? Look at this. This cat loves me. She's loving me. This one? Growling. This one's loving me. Nina. She wants food, but Nina, I can't give you food. Can we do this one? All I'm doing, this is what I'm doing. Okay? Just for evidence. Look at her raising that paw and growling. God, Satan incarnate! Satan incarnate! Away! I curse you!